Okay, so you've got your CRM and you're running ads with Google. But wouldn't it be nice if there's a way to, connect them, make them kiss or something, optimize them, measure your ROI perhaps? Well, now there is. HubSpot and Google have partnered to integrate their tools to help you grow better. What's up? It's Jamal from HubSpot, and today we'll explore how you can break through the noise, find quality leads, and get a better return on your ad spend through CRM-powered advertising, full flywheel reporting, and automated lead generation. Who doesn't want this? Why do I even need to make a video about this? This seems self-explanatory. Are you ready? Let's get it. To start off, I'll introduce you to 3 folks who are facing challenges you might relate to, and then I'll walk you through how HubSpot and Google can help. First, meet Kavan, who owns a custom bike shop called Wheelies. His business is doing pretty well, but he's having trouble getting his ads in front of the right customers, the ones who really need to buy a sweet new bike. Next, here's Eliana. She works as a marketing director at California Living, a home decor business. She's struggling with how to make her ads perform their best, and then measure and report her results. And last, meet Grace. She's in sales at a large professional services company. Her biggest challenge is nurturing leads at scale, and she's always looking for ways to save time. That Cabo spring break trip isn't gonna make time for itself. Well, I've got good news. With the combined magic of HubSpot and Google, you can overcome all of these challenges by simply syncing your data. You see, HubSpot and Google have partnered to offer a suite of tools that will help you integrate your CRM-powered ads into your existing marketing tactics to reach new customers and drive leads to your business. With CRM-powered reach, Kavan can find the most qualified leads by syncing the customer data from his CRM. Use features like audience syncing to reach the audiences that matter most to his business, and see which keywords and campaigns perform the best and optimize for them. Eliana needs full flywheel reporting so she can measure the full funnel impact of her ads campaigns and link her on and offline conversions to gain insights into her entire customer journey. And Grace can use automated lead management to sync leads between Google and her CRM and automatically route them from ads to sales. All of this might sound like a heavy lift, but with our integrated tools, it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yes, this did just come out of nowhere. Drinks from the void. Good stuff. Ready to put these tools to work for your business? Simply link your Google Ads account right inside the HubSpot dashboard, and boom, you're ready to go. Now your ads are performing so well that lots of folks are clicking on them, calling you, stopping by, chasing you down the street, asking you for your autograph. You can barely get anywhere. So now what? Well, it's time to turn those leads into customers with our handy optimizations events feature, which helps you connect your offline data to your online campaigns to improve lead quality. Understand which of your campaigns and keywords are driving results at each stage of the customer journey. Then you can optimize your ads using Google's automated bid tool to get in front of the right audience. Because at the end of the day, the more you optimize your ads, the better you can serve your customers, right? With ads audiences, you can get in front of the right customers like Kavan. Once he started using his CRM data to inform his ads, his bike sales took off. Like a 10-speed bike, just into the sunset. Didn't see him after that. And you could take a page out of Eliana's playbook. Her offline conversions spiked when she tapped into the power of optimizations events. Now she's selling macrame plant hangers like crazy. Didn't even know what those were before, but thanks to Eliana, I know now. You can also reach your audiences wherever they are in the sales journey, like Grace, who automated her lead management. Now she nurtures her leads at scale, saving valuable time. She probably made it to that vacation in Cabo that she always wanted. Good for you, Grace. So, if you want to reach the right customers, improve your lead quality, and easily measure your ROI, and again, who doesn't want to do this stuff? I don't get it. HubSpot and Google have you covered. Together, they can help you integrate your marketing tactics so you can grow your business while saving valuable time. It's easy, it's powerful, it's basically a no-brainer. Get started with HubSpot and Google today.